Hey guys, it's me, Grace. Today I'm doing a special little video. I'm doing a dorm tour and I'm so excited about it. I'm actually like redecorating a little bit today, so I might put that in there too. I'm only gonna show my side. I do have a roommate, but I don't think she wants me to show her side, so I'm not going to. And so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this is what you see when you walk in. Our room is actually like kind of big, not gonna lie. So over here we have the sink area. There's a mirror. We have like some cleaning supplies here. Obviously the sink, soap, toothbrush holder. These are my roommate's towels. These are my towels. And just some drawers, makeup stuff, you know, random stuff. We have this mirror on the door. I know like everybody has one of these, but I feel like it's kind of necessary to like see your whole outfit, you know. We just put up some post-it notes, what Libby did. And then over here I have my closet, and I have a towel hook on my closet. Sometimes I have jackets there. There's the outside door, by the way. This is the bathroom door, which connects me and my suite mates. So beautiful, you know. I just show you the inside. It's actually like really spacious. I just have like a lot of stuff in there. Not very organized, but shoes. There's like 3 different hanging racks. I just use 2 pretty much. I do have some pants down there. Then there's a little place up here for like sheets and stuff. So it's actually pretty big. Then over here we have our snack cabinet. Mine is the top drawer. Then we have a microwave and a mini fridge. You actually have to rent these through the university, which is kind of expensive, but it's okay. So over here, I love this wall. I have been decorating this all year. Like it gets added to a lot. I painted these. I'm not a painter, so they're not pretty, but I like the vibe. Also painted this one, which is really rough, but it's okay. I have like a little collage of stuff over here, and there's some towels I got at football games. Some more notes that Libby left me. Then I have my hamper in the corner and a trash can. So this is my desk area. I'm gonna give a little overview of my desk. So over here I have vitamins and medicines, stuff like that. I have pin holders in the back of my lamp, which I got from Target. And like a little organizer, has some sticky notes, notebook, gum, there's fingernail polish in there. Picture of my family. I painted this picture frame and I really thought I would like it more than I do. That's okay. This is my weekly overview, which I like am obsessed with. I use it all the time, and it's from Target. There's no bullet journal, but it's not like always on here, obviously. A mirror that I think I got from Target, maybe Walmart. It's dirty. This spinny thing I got from TJ Maxx, I think. It has like almost all my makeup. Eyeshadow palettes, eyeshadow palettes, eyeshadow palettes, because you know I'm obsessed with eyeshadow. They have other like face makeup in there and stuff stacked on top. Also hung some jewelry on here. There's mostly hair bows underneath my mirror. Oh, we have rolly chairs, which is super nice. There's a drawer here, which is like my junk drawer. Oh, it's my resume, how nice. Pulls out and gives you more desk space, which I like. Love. I put my computer on there a lot. Down here we have a cabinet, which is super hard to open. Inside I have just my textbooks and some paper, notebooks and stuff. There's also a rack up here. You can put like paper up there. I have before. Right now there's nothing up there. So I also have some command hooks over here to hang like my car keys, my purse, another purse. My backpack usually sits here or over here in front of my clothing drawers. So obviously there's just 3. These drawers are actually like really big too. So we got a lot more storage and a lot more wall space than I thought I was gonna have here. I love this place. This is my food place. So I have like 2 a Keurig, an espresso maker, a Magic Bullet, some like spices and stuff, sweetener, coffee syrups. Over here I actually have a George Foreman and a waffle maker. And it's all just sitting on top of like storage things, which I actually don't have anything in right now. So this is my file cabinet that like everybody has, literally everybody. This is an art corner. This is like books and textbooks that I'm not using this semester, or in like also like my Bible, books I want to read. This is a journal. Cups in this tiny little egg pan that I love. It's so cute. Then in here I have miscellaneous stuff like Crocs wipes, hooks, which we're not even allowed to use. You have dishes, and this is like bags, random stuff. So on top of this, it's like a nightside table. So I'm charging my iPad right now. I have Kleenexes, some markers for my roommate's board. This cute little thing that my friend Allison made me. And then I have a change in there. Just a few other miscellaneous things. And this is like calming spray stuff that I spray on my pillows at night sometimes. Of course, Vaseline and my retainer. I want to show you this view because it's the best part of the room, I'm not gonna lie. So there's Williams Bryce. That is, I love it. I literally love this view. It's so nice, except it's super bright at night sometimes. My bed, I just have like 3 random pillows. I think that these are from Target. This is from Target. This is from Mexico. That's from Target. My tiger, his name's Baby, in case you were curious. Oh, I also wanted to talk about this. So I made this little collage of just like models from a magazine. I think it's super cute. I have this Tapestry, which is like, I'm pretty sure it's a place close to my house, but I just like got it online. It looks exactly like my favorite sunset spot. That's why I got it. I have pictures over here with like little bitty pixie lights that I think are adorable. I took down some of the pictures and moved them over here, or I also took some from up here. These are like more hanging, and so that's kind of why I want to redo stuff. So also a little picture frame that Allison got me. So we have like a lot of empty wall space. Oh, also up here, we're not really sure what this thing is for, but I put my Polaroid and a little succulent and just some more lights. So that was just like a super quick tour, and I bought some more pictures to hang up over here and like kind of redo that whole space, and then I'm gonna put my pictures, I think, that of like family up here, so hopefully it'll look cute. And I kind of want to buy some more stuff, but I'm also super broke, so we're gonna see what we can do on like a $5-10 budget. Okay, so it's much later, but I've got all these pictures printed out, and now we're gonna make a collage somehow. Okay, so I think I've decided to take this tapestry down because I'm kind of tired of it. We're gonna see how it works. I also have some magazines I'm probably gonna make some collages from, but I'm not sure how it's all gonna turn out. So we're gonna try it. Okay, so that's done, and I think it looks super cute. Not exactly sure how well it matches, but like it matches. So now I think I'm gonna figure out something to do with the rest of my photos. Okay, so I went through a bunch of magazines and cut stuff out that I like. So out of the fashion one, I cut out like black and white pictures that I liked. And in the other one, I cut out like patterns and just like pretty little things. So I'm gonna see if somehow I can like bring it together and make like 5 different pictures, but I'm not sure that it's gonna work yet. So I added an urban bag and some collages I made and some family pictures to the main thing, and I can't decide what I'm gonna do with these yet. Okay, I think I'm actually happy with it. So I added the outside photos as pictures of like my family and friends. There's that side. And then over here I added the new collages. So now I'm gonna clean back up and do a little montage of my whole room.